Right, rather than unboxing.
Unboxing.
Then I put it back to you though. All the phone for you. Are you blocked this?
Just like that. Taki düz video ragazzi.
Do you have to charge that first, or you can?
My one was full. And now an hour.
This is cool. Wow!
Faccio dare non vado
Wow.
avanti dove no, pezzi su che c'è
Even like taller than you.
E chi dà l'idea?
Is it 2 meters?
You can flip right and left and everything.
And then how you turn on?
I cavalli ce n'è.
Wow, cool.
I think this is the minimum. Touch it again.
Wow.
This one?
No, the right one. Touch it. Touch again. Yeah, this is the maximum. Touch left.
Fuck.
Oh my
Man,
god.
yeah, but,
This one cool.
This is good for the
how much you
mosquito.
guys pay for this?
50, 45, how much?
And this time,
$50,
right?
yeah. It was
So you can even stick like this.
but if you are YouTuber, you gotta do the professional one.